Welcome to Drawing with Callie. Today we're going to draw Drakeosoras. First, you need to put your paper sideways like this, or you won't really have room. And you might want to draw this in pencil, because we're going to do some erasing later. First, draw an oval for the body. Then, draw one rectangle and another one square on that side and one square on the other side. Then draw half a square next to the squares for the legs. Now we're going to draw a half circle. Draw three half circles on the squares, on the full squares, and two half circles on the half squares. Now we're going to draw the tail. Draw a curve and another curve. Now make a point and curve up to that point. Then we're going to draw the fire on the tail. First, draw a line out and then go in. Then one out straight up and then go in. Now do a one out diagonally from the side and then one back in to connect to that other one. Now let's do it again on the outside. Up diagonally, side, up, down, side, diagonally down. Now we'll do it again. Diagonally up, side, up, down, side, diagonally down. Now that's the fire on the tail. Now this is the hard part. We're going to draw the neck. Draw a backwards S shape and then draw another one. And keep drawing backwards S shapes coming out of different parts of this one backwards S shape. Okay, after you've drawn 10 curves, then draw half a circle diagonally up and then another one. And make them come closer after you've done them. Now draw a triangle with no bottom. Now you're going to need to turn the paper this way, and we're going to draw a diagonal line and a half circle under it. Then we're going to draw a smaller oval and a dot inside that oval. We're going to draw the teeth. Do one triangle, two triangles, three triangles on the top and 2 triangles on the bottom. Then we're going to do 1 curve out, 1 curve in, 1 curve up, 1 curve down. I mean 1 straight down. Oops, I said curve. Now we're going to go diagonally up, then diagonally down, and come. Now we're going to draw the other part. You need to turn the paper upside down for this one. Make sure you turn the page while you're drawing. It makes it a lot easier. Now we're gonna draw the ground underneath. Just draw a line all the way across. We're going to make him on like a walk road. So draw another line. Okay. Now we should draw rocks on the walk road. Now we're going to color. Here's the colored Drakeosaurus. Thanks for watching. See you next time.